Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at Lego Polybag 30294. And this is the Cowler Dragon from the Ninjago line. If you enjoy this kind of video and enjoy the polybag build-along things, please think about subscribing and turning on notifications, because I plan on doing one of these videos, one a day, for the foreseeable future. So anyway, just if you like this kind of thing, think about that. Also, if you're interested in picking up this set to build along with me, I've included links in the description for where you can find this set on Amazon and on Bricklink, and I have also included a link to Brickset. Just so he's a kind of sort of transparent vampire guy. No other different face either. I've also included a link in the description for a Google Doc that has all of my links and information for all of my polybag build-alongs, as well as information about upcoming ones. So if you want to sort of get a jump on things. So that's not how this goes, is it? Doesn't look right. Maybe like that. Alright, that looks like it's at least a better fit. Alright, blah. So, that fits a little better. And we gotta give him his cool purple hat. And he gets a sword. And according to the picture, he appears to be left-handed. Alright. So that takes care of him. And now we gotta figure out about the dragon. Alright, so let's tackle this dragon. You know, when I first saw this, I was really hoping these would be glow in the dark, but they do not appear to be glow in the dark. They just kind of appear to be like Dayglo. So, that was a little sad. That would have been an awesome dragon, by the way. A glow in the dark dragon. But I guess it's too much to hope for. Yeah, maybe someday there'll be a glow in the dark dragon. So I'm guessing these are going to be where the wings are going to attach. We're going to have like the wings and the head. I guess. This goes here, like so. Yeah, this is going to be the wing, where the wings attach. Alright. So, they use the A-frame, these little A-frame looking things. That's kind of interesting. Alright. So, there's here. And here. And then this flips right here. Like that. Well, there's one thing kind of interesting. You get these Dayglo cheese wedges. I don't know exactly what you're going to want to use them for, but yeah, you know, you got them. I don't know. So, sharing that. So this clips in on this side, right here. I'm assuming we're about to do a mirror image of that. Yep. So this is the A. And that. And this. Another one of these little clips. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like you can do something interesting with these colors, but I'm not 100% sure. Well, I'm still disappointed they don't glow in the dark, but that was too much to ask. Alright. So this one flips in over here, like so. So we got that, and then we attach swords. So the sword goes here, and this one goes here. Make sure they match. Should both in the same distance. Alright, so there's that. We got these big, giant, kind of anime swords. Probably like this is like a rotor, or I mean a propeller blade. Oh, I forgot my little clip over there. So, the other clip. This thing puts in right there, like so. Now, let's skip over here and take care of the tail real quick. And we got the tail. That takes care of the tail. Now we just got to make the head. Alright, for the head. Like so. And like so. That goes there. And then that goes there. And another one of those weird Dayglo things. These go on the side of the head. Like that. I guess the horns will face this way. I'm facing like straight. Yeah, that's how they have them in the picture. Like so. And then this is the front. Like so. And then it just clips on. I gotta tell you, this dragon did not look this big when I was looking at the package. Like the dragon is... It has what? Like a... How much is it? 8-inch wingspan? That's a big dragon. Anyway. So, dude gets to ride the dragon. That's kind of interesting. Oh, extra pieces that came with this one? Right there. Anyway, it's kind of neat. You get some sort of unusual pieces in here. Anyway, let me know what you think. If you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And hope y'all have an excellent day.